Larry. Okay, guys. We're recording. Okay, guys. Okay. So, today... I'm gonna solve my Rubik. Guys, after my booger dugger incident, I'm back with solving my Rubik's Cube.
It's a Rubik's Cube.
Shut up, Larry. I don't need your coincidence. Okay. So, I already have orange side almost done. It's missing a few pieces. Okay, so now...
No, it's right.
No, it's not. We need an FB toss to the left. Okay, so right now we have a nice 30-degree angle with a right angle of 69 degrees.
That's a 90 degree.
Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to do the forceptor of 10 times 10, which would equal 21. So now we're almost done. We have to go HB toss to the left, do a little swirl, and then now we need to do the red to the right, to the left, to the left, and to the left again, and then flip it for good luck. So now we have a perfect 2-degree angle.
It's a 90-degree angle.
No, it's not, Larry. Shut up. No one likes you. Okay, guys, so we almost finished this video. This Rubik's Cube. Larry, why did you throw a soccer ball at me? Why did you throw a pillow at me? Why did you throw a wheelchair at me? If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Bye-bye.